Beside me is my 2002 Corvette Z06, and I'm getting ready to uncover it for the first time in over a year. There's gonna be a long laundry list of things to do. Check the tires, change the battery, clean the interior up, and whatever else comes along with it. If you're a car guy, you know you always run into problems along the way. But for now, we are going to do our first reveal. I've had a lot of fun in the past 10 years. The car started life completely stock. I bought it 10 years ago, and everything that you see that's done to it, I've actually done myself. We have the carbon wide body. This is one of my favorite parts. I want to get it painted soon, just so it gets more of an OEM look. We got the wheels. I'm gonna be going to more of a street style tire, done with the Mickey Thompsons. They were awesome and all, but we have other goals for the car now. Corsa Extremes. If you like a nice exhaust, you know Corsa. And this is the scariest part right now. The car's been sitting, so we have no idea what to expect. Hopefully, it's salvageable. Now that we've seen the damage, it's time to get to work. If you're into travel content, check out our playlist. We traveled all of Southeast Asia, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. We're still lowered on stock lowering boats, and we're probably gonna keep it that way for a while until we have the time to install some coilovers. If you come over to the engine bay, you'll see I installed a Blackwing air filter. I have a catch can. I forgot the brand. They're all fairly similar. I have long tube headers. We'll show you up close. I put some Forgestars on it with some Mickey Thompsons. They're 345, 35, 18s. Our main concern is gonna be getting this thing back on the road, roadworthy. So we're looking at changing a battery for sure. We're looking at tires for sure, and cleaning up this interior. Other than that, this thing should start right up. I do plan on turning the motor over before starting it to get the oil going through the cylinders, but other than that, it should be up and running. Now, this is the intro to my Corvette Z06 and my car journey. If you're into cars, give me a like, subscribe, and follow for more content.